Hello viewers, I am Muzammil, your teacher for accounting IGs. So we learn today very simple concept, very simple topic in accounting IGs, that is difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So we start from the definition of bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping? So as you can see on the slides, bookkeeping is the process of only recording data about business transactions. In bookkeeping you only record business transactions. The record keeping process of all finances is also bookkeeping. Usually small business used to record only financial transactions, like you can take example of your school canteen is normally recording only simple sales purchase, so they are doing bookkeeping. So if you go to the accounting is broad term. Bookkeeping is one part of accounting. Accounting involves like collecting, recording, summarizing and interpreting accounting data. So definitely you are doing accounting course with me, so you will study later on the detail in accounting. So it simply involves the preparation of financial statements, and there are two financial statements, income statement and statement of financial position. So what is the role of accounting in the business? Accounting plays very important role. Accounting is also called like language of business. So accounting provides complete and systematic records of all business transactions. Accounting also provides information regarding profit and loss. It provides information for financial statements. It enables comparative study, means you can take comparison of different statements. It provides evidences in legal matters. It helps in raising loans from bank. So in short, accounting plays very important role. So basically, what is the in short difference between bookkeeping and accounting? You can simply say bookkeeping is the recording of financial transaction and accounting means to make financial statements. So accounting starts when bookkeeping ends. So such type of question could come in your exam, like these are one past paper question as well. Explain the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Explain two roles of accounting. You can discuss any one role or two role from the list that I provided in the slides. And the definition also came, like define accounting or bookkeeping. So such type of structured questions could come in your exam. If you come to the MCQ side regarding this topic, so you can see I selected like 5 to 6 MCQs. Like you see the first MCQ, business make use of bookkeeping and accounting. What is the purpose of bookkeeping? So I told you the very important word recording. So just go on the ABCD option and you see where is the recording word, because bookkeeping involves recording. So if you go to the C option to record all the financial transaction, so this is right answer. Same MCQs number 2, which task would not be carried out by an accountant? So you can see there are 4 options A, B, C, D. Accounting compare 1 year results with those of previous year. Definitely this is not work of accounting. Basically this work or task is done by financial analyst. They are hired by large businesses and then they compare the different results and do better decision making. Accounting only involves like making financial statements. So A is right answer for MCQ2. If you see MCQs number 3, which statement about bookkeeping and accounting are correct? So there are 3 statements are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to tell A, B, C, D which one is right option. Accounting is performed periodically. Yes, it is right. We have already discussed accounting makes financial statements and financial statements are prepared periodically. Same second is accounting relies on some accurate bookkeeping. Yes, this is also right. Bookkeeping involves preparation of financial statement. No, this is wrong statement. Bookkeeping is based on double entry. Yes, this is right. So its answer is A, 1, 2 and 4. Same if you come to the MCQs number 4, which task would be carried out by bookkeeper? Again, I told you find the words recording. So if you see D answer, recording financial transaction. D is right answer. So come to the next MCQs. What is the role of bookkeeper? Again, find the word recording. When you will find this word in your MCQs, you will get the answer. Like in C answer, to maintain records of financial statements, bookkeeping. MCQs number 6, what is the purpose of accounting? Accounting, I told you, accounting is recording financial statements, so D is right answer. So in short, bookkeeping is only recording financial transactions and performed on daily basis, and accounting involves preparation of financial statements and performed periodically. So this is my first lecture on bookkeeping and accounting. Thank you so much. See you in the next